leave a message after the tone. When you are finished, you may hang up or press 1 for special options.
Hi, son. I'm sorry I've been repeatedly calling you. I know you don't want anything to do with me, but there's something I really need to talk to you about in person. Anyway, I have to go now. The theater's showing The Bicycle Thief tonight, and I have to prepare the film. Just know that I'll always love you regardless, and that I'm sorry.